Today we're just introducing a few new products, and most of them is concentrated on welding, with the welding, especially the fume extraction and protection for the people using it who are doing the welding. The first new item is this half-face mask. So this is by Eclipse. They're to fumes and dust particles. So they're one item. The second item that we're looking at is the welding fume extractor. So that's a multi-layer of filters inside there, vacuuming all the fumes away from your job into the machine and then filtering all the air for there. Protection wise, this is a goggle setup with a face mask, can be worn as that, or with a full helmet with a little skull cap on it. And this is an economy helmet with a large surface area or large viewing area, which is going to be one of our newer products that we just got in. Hi, Graham from Cold Tool Centre. Today we're just introducing, as I said in the intro, a few new items. The first item is the Eclipse half-face masks. And most of your respirators and that are quite large. This is designed to be able to go under helmets and that sort of stuff, which is going to make it, designed for welding applications mainly. So it's a two-strap mask, goes on like so. Now, designed hopefully to fit under your welding helmet, which is one of these, fits under there, fits underneath here. With a little bit of effort, it will fit underneath this setup here as well. Now this setup is a convertible system. It comes with the mask. You can take the mask off if you want, if you're just oxy welding or that type of thing. But mainly, you'd probably just run it like that. It's nice and cool, so your head's not getting sweaty inside this sort of thing up here in North Queensland. This is your cover for your full-on welding to protect all your face and all your hair, etc. around there, so you're not getting flash and that sort of stuff or heat onto you. And you've got your standard controls on the side here for welding, right through to grinding, all that sort of stuff. You've got up to 9, 10, 11 and 12. And sensitivity, minimum, maximum delay. So all your controls are on the side. Power on off button this side, and basically fits over the top like that. Not over top of your glasses. And with a bit of mucking around, we can get that in there, get this underneath and pull it down. It is a bit squashy with the small mask underneath the goggles. This is the Tools for Industry Hafco Metal Master W100, and it's a welding fume extractor. Basically a big inlet for sucking the fumes, magnetic on the bottom here, big suction setup with multiple filters right through to fumes, all that sort of stuff right through, and they come as a unit, so you can put that get up near your where you're welding. You've got your mask on to protect yourself, but this is also extracting the fumes and purifying the fumes and getting the rubbish out of the air for you on that side. Okay, Steel Vision is a new supplier for us. They're the people that are supplying this new goggle setup. They're supplying that to us. They're supplying a standard helmet with a small screen, plus this one with a large, extra large screen area. So that's the goggles, the big extra large screen area, the small screen area, but they're also doing Welders MIG stick inverter, a 165. We're also doing the stick TIG welder in the 140. That's a 10 amp plug on that. And these are economy minded welders. They're the two main ones they got, but they also do a 200 MIG stick as well as the 165, which is the 165 there. So that's a new range of products for us, trying to get reasonable quality at a good price.